and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with Sean Rodriguez from the Federal Reserve, and we're at Cybus 2016 in Geneva. Thank you for joining me.
Of course.
So what's the current status of real-time in the US?
We're in an interesting phase of development of faster payments in the US, following a lot of countries that already have put in faster payment systems. So there are faster payments capabilities already deployed, but we've stood up a task force of 300 or so industry stakeholders to look further into what possibilities are there for faster payments capabilities in the US. So we're in the process of looking at those options now.
And what progress is the industry making towards faster, safe payments?
I'd say initially we first started looking at this a couple of years ago. The folks in the US, many stakeholders were asking the question, what is the business case? What problem are we trying to solve? Not a lot of support for moving forward in this area, but as time has progressed, the dialogue's progressed, there's been a lot of interest now and great forward momentum to try to get something done. So we're learning a lot of lessons from what's happened around the world, and we're now taking this issue seriously in the US. The Federal Reserve stood up, and I'm leading a task force to look at faster payment options, and we really have a lot of enthusiasm, now momentum, to get to faster payments capabilities in the US. So we're making great progress. I'm very excited about the work that's being done and the commitment that many industry stakeholders are making to improve our payment system in the US.
And is there a consensus on what a faster payment system should look like?
Of course, we all agree, right? No, it's quite challenging, as you can imagine. What we divined in terms of this task force work is to invite a broad range of stakeholders to participate in developing what we want as US payment stakeholders in a faster payments capability. So we think this process is going to be and lead to a more robust, fulsome solution or set of solutions that will meet needs and actually get adopted. So we're having, this task force has come together and has approved a 36 criteria document, 120 points of clarification for what we want in a faster payment system in terms of ubiquity, safety and security, speed, rules and governance, all of the facets that you would need to have a faster payments capability. This group of 300 folks has drafted and approved this, what we're calling faster payments effectiveness criteria, to outline exactly what we want as stakeholders in a faster payment system. So consensus to a large degree has been achieved in terms of what we want. Now how we'll get there is going to be the challenge, and the consensus around that we think is going to be a little harder to achieve because commercial interests are at stake and there'll be competing proposals and all of that. So I think consensus will be unachievable when it comes to everyone agreeing on one solution. I think we're going to have multiple solutions that will not all agree out of the gate, but I think we'll at least agree that we're going to go towards faster capabilities.
Sean, thank you very much.
Of course.
And thank you for watching.